Today in this video I'm going to explain Samsung Galaxy A54 hard reset or pattern unlock. Press and hold the power button along with the volume down button until the device turns off. Link your phone to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. While connected simultaneously, press and hold the power button and the volume up button. Release the held buttons when the Samsung logo appears. This action will activate recovery mode. Use the volume rocker to move to the wipe data or factory reset option within the recovery mode menu. Once wipe data or factory reset is highlighted, press the power key to select it. Choose the factory data reset option to confirm the reset procedure. Allow the device to complete the reset operation. It may take some time. After the reset is finished, select Reboot System Now from the recovery menu. Once the device reboots, it will be reset to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.